Okay, this is for Central Pennsylvania, State College, Lock Haven, Williamsport, down towards Harrisburg, Lancaster, down towards Altoona and stuff. And, yeah, right now these are just your locations. Temperatures that you're going to have right now. Okay, let's see if we can make this work again. Um, okay, there's your temperatures this evening. This is around 6 o'clock. Teens to the north, 20s to the south. Cold air comes in, of course, overnight. This is around 7 in the morning. You can see mostly teens up to the north. Even down here by Harrisburg, you get into the upper teens. Everybody's pretty cold tomorrow morning. And that's probably, if you're looking for snow, you might get a little bit tomorrow morning. A little bit. I mean, we missed the big storm. But now you got another one that wants to make its way in. Here's again, this is around 7 in the morning when it's the coldest temperatures, and then you can see an upper air low. Now it never connected with the big storm. If it did, we put it pretty would have a big snowstorm, but it didn't connect. So now you got to deal with the upper low coming through, and it's very light snow. This is not a big snowstorm. Here's 10 o'clock. Here's 11. Here's 12, and you can see it flips through. And this is around 8 o'clock at night, and it's starting to pull away, and then you're left with some squalls off the lakes after that's done. Total snow numbers are nothing to go crazy about. Um, you can see in the darker gray areas, you're talking about an inch, and the lighter gray areas, the dusting. The bluish areas get 2 inches or so. There could be some areas in the lower highlands that get a little bit more, like 4 or 5 inches or so. And again, up there, this is 2 to 3 inches up here. But again, some squalls off the lakes will add to that number as it gets there. Okay. Okay, so this is Friday morning, and the precipitation is cleared. Friday afternoon temperatures, you can see 20s down here towards Lancaster, Reading, could get to freezing. Northern areas in the teens, so we got a big contrast across the area. But then as we go into the nighttime hours, this is around midnight on Friday. You can see teens to the north, around 20 to the south, around midnight on Friday. So it's going to get a little cold. Now there is data that says that we're going to have snow, especially in the northern tier up here in the mountains areas around the 28th of the month. Um, we'll see if that happens, because right now, when the cold air comes in, it usually doesn't. You usually don't get the big snows this winter. When the warm air is in place, it comes through, but then it comes through mixed. Um, Warm air will come in place next week, and so when it comes in place, there's your storm on the 28th. So we have to see if it's going to actually snow or it's going to be a mix. But there will be a storm around the 28th. I can tell you that much. All right, everybody, take care. Be safe.